Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blinker, the front blinker light on my 2006 Toyota Corolla. This will be the same process for the 2003 to 2008 years on the Corollas, and really similar on the Camrys, the Matrixes, the Yaris, etc. Well, let's go ahead and get a closer look here, and we'll show you how to do this. It's not too bad. All right, guys, let's get a closer look here. Here's the blinker light we're going to be replacing right in here. You can see my lens is pretty foggy. I'm going to have to get that taken care of soon. You have a lot of space to work on the passenger side, but over on the driver's side, you got the battery in the way. If you have small hands, you might be able to do it. If not, you might have to remove the battery. For this demonstration, though, we're going to be working on the passenger side. So let's go ahead and get down in here. Okay guys, so there is the blinker light adapter right here. You may have to finesse these cords a little, just move them out of the way, but you're going to turn this piece here counterclockwise for about a quarter turn until it frees up, and then as soon as it does, you'll just pull it straight out. And again, you might have to finesse the wires. Just be careful. Everything in here is old and brittle. You don't want to break anything. But yeah, okay. Okay, now that we got that out, give me a second. I'll get set back up on the tripod and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, so here it is. It's a Sylvania 3157A. You're just going to hold on to the adapter and grab down by the bottom of the bulb and kind of wiggle and pull it out gently until it comes out. This is it right here. It's got the orange coating on it, or the orange film. You can see that mine's all like baked and burned off from years of use. My bulb is okay, but I do need to replace it. I just don't have one with the orange film, so I'm gonna have to do that at a later time. But once you've pulled this out, you can just put your new one in, and it can go in either way. And you're just going to fit it in here until it kind of sets into place, and then just hold on to the adapter and push down on the bulb. Kind of tough there until you hear it click into place. Now that we have the bulb back in, let's go ahead and get it back in the socket. I'll show you how to do that. All right, guys, so once you have the new bulb in, you're going to go ahead and get the bulb and the adapter back into the socket, the hole there. You might have to kind of finesse some of the wires out of the way to get it in. And then once you have it in, just go ahead and turn it a little bit until you see it drop into place. There it goes. You see how it kind of sunk in? Let me show you that again. So here it is, not in the right place, and as you're turning it, you can see it sink in when you get it aligned correctly. Once you have it aligned, then you're going to turn it clockwise, a quarter turn, until you hear it lock into place there. Okay, be right back. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helped you. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys, and have a good one.